Hey guys, welcome to Sonance here, back in our video. So in this video, we're gonna make a takeout drop like Noizu. So the final result will sound like this. So we got quite a few comments about it to dive into its style. So in today's video, we're gonna make a takeout track just like him. We'll be diving into the breakdown, the bass, the lead, the drums, vocals, all that stuff. We'll be completely deconstructing his style. Also, I choose his tech house style, so let me know if I should make his piano house style as well. So let's get it started. Let's first start off with a vocal. So I took his new song Middle as reference. So as you can hear, it got a singing female vocal in it. So I hopped on Splice and just downloaded a few vocals.
Tell me if you're riding. I know that feels like I don't know you.
Like these ones.
Why you got? I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can have it. I
really like this one, so let's use this one.
You can have it. I don't even know if you can handle it.
Actually, like the higher pitch one more, so
I don't even know if you can
let's use that one. We're gonna drop it in a file. Then just fit it to the tempo. To get more of how it's gonna play, we're gonna pitch it down as well for semitones.
I don't even know if you can handle it.
Sounding like this.
All I know is you can have it. I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can handle it.
So now we're gonna mix it. So the vocal is already a wet vocal, so we don't need to do much processing. I made sure to cut out the lows.
I don't even know if you can handle it.
Add a sidechain to it.
I don't even know if you can handle it.
And a smile for the build up. And that's it for the vocals, so now we're gonna dive into the bass sound. So in the Noizu track, the bass is quite melodic, so in our track we're gonna make it melodic as well. So as always, we'll be using the preset from the Dirty Tech bundle. It's linked down below. We got preset drums, all that stuff. So if you want to check it out, just check the link in the description. So let's add a new serum. We'll be using this preset from the version 1. It's a really thick tech house bass. So now we're gonna make a melody with it. We're working in G sharp. So let's start on a G sharp. Just 2 notes.
I don't even know if you can handle it. I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know. I don't even know if you can handle it. I don't even know if you can handle it. I don't even know if you can handle it. I don't even know if you can handle it. I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can handle it.
So I also noticed that he ends his bass riff with 3 false notes, like this one. So we're gonna do that as well. So we're also gonna open up the preset just a little bit more because it's lacking a little bit of high ends. So we're gonna route envelope 1 to the cutoff. Just like this. So mixing wise, the only thing we added is this sidechain. So altogether the bass and vocals sounds like this.
I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can have it. I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can have it. I don't.
So now we're gonna dive into the drums. We'll be using these samples. So we're gonna start off with a kick drum. Just a simple rhythm. And then at those fast notes, we're gonna repeat a kick drum as well. Sounding like this.
All I know is you can have it. I don't.
Giving quite a dope effect. So then I added a clap. Just at every second beat, just as usual. Then it's time for the open head. I used this sample first. It's a little bit weak, so I layered it with this one. This one has a bit more body. Together the head sounds like this. So without a layer. And with it, gives a bit more body to it. Together with the other drums, sounds like this. Just a basic drum pattern. So then we're gonna spice it up with some snares and heads, just to add some more groove to it. So I added this snare, bend it, placed it right here before an open head, giving this kind of groove. Then I added this closed head to it, before and after the open head, sounding like this. And then to finish up the drums, I added this shaker-ish kind of loop. So I got this closed hi-hat. Filled it every 2 steps. And then I randomized the velocity. Altogether sounding like this. So it sounds quite dope, but it's lacking some energy, so we're gonna mix it. I added all the drum sounds to the drum bass. Then I added this Faircom compression, just to compress the drum bass quite a bit. At around -8 dBs. Really fast attack time and short release time. So it's losing a little bit of low end, so I added this Saturn saturation. First to bump up the low end. And then I opened up the high end as well. Altogether sounding like this. So now we're gonna dive into lead sounds. So instead of using leads in the drop, Noizu uses it in the breakdown. So we're gonna make a lead sound for the breakdown. So let's start off with this inner preset. We'll be using this sound from the Dirty Tech 2 pack. It's also in a bundle, so it's a really spacious kind of lead. So now we're gonna make a melody with it. Just something to sit nice in the background. So we're gonna start off on a G sharp. Then go up to the D sharp, which is the 5th note. Then up to the 6th. Just like this. So now we're gonna mix it. I want to bring it back more to the background, so firstly get rid of the low end. Then I added a reverb to it to push it a little bit to the back of the mix. And a sidechain, of course. So together with the other elements, it sounds like this. And that's it for the lead sound. So now we're gonna arrange the track, dive into the build up and the breakdown. So let's work on that part. So the first thing I did was get rid of the low end in the breakdown. Just an animation of the EQ. So then I want to add the vocal back in. Well, just a small part of it. Just like this. Then just let it hit every bar. And we're gonna automate it and the smell back in, so it will add some more reverb and delay to it. Sounding like this. So it nicely builds towards the main vocal.
I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can have it.
So then I added this and the smell and the snare build from the pack as well. With it and a smell to it to create a kind of build-up effect. Sounding like this. It's creating a nice riser, so it really fills up the breakdown and build as well. So then we're also gonna let the lead sound hit in the second part of the drop, just to add a little variation to it. So then I think we got the arrangement ready. So now it's time to fill it up with some more effects, crashes, downlifters, risers, all that stuff. So I'm just gonna fill it up with some effects and we'll check it out. So I just dropped in a ton of risers, downlifters, crashes, effects, all that stuff. So as you can see, it's quite a lot. They sound like this. Just to really fill up the track. and the string sound as well. So I used a few in the drop as well, like its crash sounds, as well as this white noise sound. I also added a snare build to a few parts of the drop. So we're gonna remove the kick, and the last thing we're gonna do is add a crash to every kick and a pre-drop as well. Which will give a really cool effect. So sounding like this. And I think that's already it for the Noizu kind of style drop. So if you like the video, please leave a like, see more, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.